How to add bullet points in Google Slides. Adding bullet points in Google Slides is quite simple. Let's say there is a certain text that you'd like to add in a bullet point. What you have to do is first important thing is to select that text first. So once you select that text, you will find new options enabled at the top, where one of those options is a dotted bullet list or a numbered bullet list. So if you want a numbered bullet list, you can click on this icon at the top right. Otherwise, a dotted one, which means this particular one over here. Now, if you don't feel comfortable using this, you can also instead use the keyboard shortcut right here. That is Control and Shift and the 8 keys. So just select this and press Control, Shift and 8 key on your particular keyboard right there. And if you're using Mac, then you can substitute the control for command and instead use Command, Shift and 8 on your keyboard to enable or disable bullet points, or I can select them manually from the top right. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.